everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley. If you're new here, thank you for visiting. Today we're going to take a look at the Lookfantastic box for June. So let's get it open, shall we? So there's how it's looking in there. So what have we got first? So this is made by Mitchell and it is a bare lip oil in the shade Rosebud. And this is full size and it's worth £12. Reminds me of Juicy Tubes, the packaging. So it's like a nozzle there. I'll put it on my hand for you to see. So it is like a peachy pink. It's quite sticky feeling. Looks nice and shiny. And try it on. I don't want to squeeze too much out. Yeah, that feels nice. That's a really nice colour for the summer. It's like a peachy pink. It looks like my lips actually though. Doesn't look much different, does it? And it's not too sticky. So there's that one. A nice one there. I like a makeup product or something that you can do with your makeup. Then what have we got next? I'm going to take this one. This Works we've got, and this is Perfect Body Vitamin C Glow, and it's a lotion. I really do like this Works. We've got a little seal on there. Oh, it looks pink in the nozzle. I'll put it here next to the, or shall I do it here? It does look pink to me. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. And it is very thin. A youth boosting body brightener for silky smooth skin. And I like the smell of that. I really do like the smell of this Works things. I don't know what the smell is, but I just really like it. I don't know what that smell is. So this is worth over £5. This is worth. Does it say anything on there? Directions: massage all over body, focusing on areas in need of attention. For best results, use for 28 days. So I guess that would give you a little glow over time, maybe. It does feel nice and hydrating. I'll enjoy that one. I like that one. Right, next we've got one that I know I like. This is Medicate Press and Glow Tonic. I think that's what you call it. Press and Glow. And this is 30ml and it is a deluxe size and it's worth £9. That is worth £9, that little one. And I do a little bit on my hand. It's very liquidy. It's just like a toner. So you would do this onto a cotton pad usually. Oh, just love that smell. I've just finished a big one of these. Oh, I just love the smell of it. It's so gorgeous. So this is a daily exfoliating PHA tonic with enzyme activator. So it's nice and gentle on your skin and it's just got the most beautiful smell. So I will love using that. Really happy to have that one as well. And then we've got another one. What's this? Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel Exfoliant. Visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting and sweeping away impurities. So what does it say about this? This is 15ml. It's a deluxe size and it's worth £15. That's shocking, isn't it? That small size. So what does this say? Apply a generous amount to clean dry skin. Gently massage in a circular motion to visibly exfoliate. Rinse well with water. For extra enzymatic exfoliation, leave on for 1 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Use 1 to 3 times a week depending on skin sensitivity, for external use only. Okay, so let's have a sniff, shall we? See if it's got a smell. It's got a seal there. Shall I put it on my hand to show you? Because I'm going to be washing it off in a minute. I'll just show you what it looks like. So it looks like a cream. I'll do a bit more. So it comes out. And I can feel some tiny, tiny bits in there. Is it going to ball up? It does feel like it's balling up. Look, it does ball up. It said to roll it about, doesn't it? And peel it off. It peels. Oh, it does have a slight smell. It smells nice. So I'll try that one. Don't know if I'm that keen. It's probably something you have to use to find out if you like it. And then we've got another one. We've got Esper Isotonic Hydrating Gel Eye Masks. Hydrating eye patches for revived and re-energized looking skin. Esper Isotonic Hydrating Gel Eye Mask. Using the tweezers, carefully place a patch onto freshly cleansed skin so it rests under the eye. Relax for 10 minutes before removing. Delicately tap remaining serum around the eye contour. I like when you get to rub it in afterwards. I feel like it's not wasted then. So I'm going to try those. I wonder if they smell really good. I've never had them before. So, and what are these worth? It's just one pair and it is worth £5. So that's worth £5. And then we've got one more in here and it's a brand that I love. These are quite some nice brands this time. So this is Paradox Growth Pro Density Anti-Breakage Hair Repair Mask, deluxe size, worth £12. And I've got a feeling, what I was going to say is I like these because you get to use them any way you want. Let's see if you do with this one. It says once per week, apply to damp or dry hair. Leave for as long or as little as you prefer. The longer you leave it, the better the results. Rinse by shampooing and conditioning as usual. Yeah, so I'll probably use that as a leave-in conditioner. I loved it. The first time I had a pink one. It was like a 3-in-1. And then I really liked the smell of it. And then I had another one that was in like a turquoise package. I don't know if it was the same as this one. I think it might be a bit lighter. And that was one that you use any way you like. I think all these things, you can use it wet or dry hair, leave it in or rinse it out. Gonna poke it and see. Oh, it's shot out. Yeah, it's got that lovely smell. Oh dear, it's all coming out though. I'm going to put it in my hair. I can put it in my hair. I really do love the smell. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's got like a mentholy smell, I think, and something else though. And it just smells gorgeous. I love it. And I like to leave it as a leave-in. Then you get to smell it in your hair. You just go about your day. I better check it. It's not all coming out everywhere. There's a bit more there. So be careful. If you get it, it does fly out. I find that with these tin metal tubes. They do that, don't they? I've got a hand cream from Liz Earle and it all flies out because it's in one of those tubes. Oh, love it. You can get rid of your flyaways. Oh, gorgeous. Smells really good. So those are all the products. We've got the eye patches, the Medicate toner, the Peter Thomas Roth exfoliant. We are Paradox leave-in conditioner or multi-use conditioning mask. And then we've got the Made by Mitchell lip oil in the shade Rosebud. And then we got This Works Perfect Body Vitamin C Glow. So let me know what you think of the box this month in the comments, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.